Hey y'all, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm going to be making dinner. I'm going to be making a breakfast casserole and I'm going to be meal prepping it. I'll be making two, one for us to eat and one to freeze. Come along with me. So far I have two Pyrex dishes. They are both sprayed with cooking spray. That way all this doesn't stick. And then I have poured half of my bag of hash browns in here and the other half in here. And I've got my bell pepper and onion in here right now, but I decided that I'm going to fry my bacon and Canadian bacon first. That way I can do this in that yummy grease, and that way it can all get that yummy flavor. All right, I've got my bacon and my Canadian bacon chopped up into pieces, and I'm going to get this frying. And as soon as this is done, we're going to put my veggies in here with a little bit of the grease. I'm not going to save it all, but I will show you all when this is done. So I had my oven set to 350 degrees to preheat, and I just put my hash browns in there so they can get nice and toasty, but not totally cooked all the way through, because I'm still going to cook the eggs and stuff with it. Well, the eggs really is the only thing that's going to have to be cooked. So, and those are going to cook a lot faster than the frozen hash browns. So I'm going to get those kind of golden brown, and then we will take them out. All right, all my bacon is done. I've got about a tablespoon of bacon grease left. Here. And put those in there for me. Be careful. I'm going to let these saute. Get them nice and coated. Alright, I just turned my burner off. I'm going to move this over so it does not cook anymore. And I'm going to go ahead and start cracking my eggs. That is a stamp. See if I can do this with one hand, y'all. It's been a long time. Look at there. Okay, we're gonna season them. Go ahead. With some Cavender's all-purpose, whoa, all-purpose seasoning. Can you unscrew that? You got it? Other way. It's a little bit of that one. Okay, garlic salt.
Yum. These are yummy for Daddy.
And then that one's kind of hard. Here. This one is, whoa. All three of these came out a little fast, but that's okay. Everything else is a little bit bland except for the bacon. So I'm gonna mix all this together. That's enough. You don't want to do it anymore.
Make me scared them all.
Whoa, stir it. Good job. Just got the hash browns out. See how they're a little bit toasty and they are a little bit crunchy? That's what I want.
Yeah.
And let's see what order I want to do this in.
It's yummy.
I think it is yummy. I am going to do half of this, just like that.
Yeah, a fork.
You got a fork? Probably about one more scoop. That way there's a little bit in every bite. Gotta leave enough for the next one. Thank you, Bug. Now I'm going to try to divide half of the egg I'll probably need to crack some more egg for the next one. It's alright, I've got plenty. Can you hang on to that bowl for me? You can just set it right there on the counter. Good job. All right. Help me sprinkle some bacon. Look.
Awesome.
A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Cheddar would really be good with this, but we don't have any, so we always have Parmesan cheese here because it's all of our favorite. And, you know, you can just toss whatever you want in here. If I had chives, I would be putting chives on the top after it's cooked. This is pretty creative. It's really easy. Just throw in whatever you want. Just got the first one in the oven, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one. Peppers, egg, bacon. I have them both in the oven now, and all you have to do is just cook till your eggs are cooked through. And that's what the end result looks like. Everybody started digging in before I could finish this, so it's just that good, I guess. I've still got the other one in the oven to let it finish cooking. It's only got about 2 more minutes left or so. I hope y'all have a great evening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you later.